going for cereal. So at least I can make it.
What's in there? That's my breakfast.
Zach's trying to have his breakfast.
I'm going to see if there's any camera hiding anywhere. Get away, rub my door. Going, going. He's a stealer!
He's made a hole, buddy. What, you found one out already?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You're too fast.
Ask one of mine. Sorry, it's blue. What?
No chocolate for mummy.
Yours?
God, look how many doors are open.
Yes. Oh, my scanny got to
So we got a
Yeah.
penguin.
It's raining peas. More peas. It's raining more peas. Come out of the sky.
Hey guys, so today is Vlogmas day 18. We haven't opened your calendar yet, Zach. He's ignoring me. Oh. So yeah, we just come for a little walk. Try and get things going. Right, Zach, not too close though. Right, no more, no more, no more. No, just throwing twigs in the duck's pond. We haven't opened your calendar yet, number 18.
Yeah.
Right, off there, because it's really, really muddy, guys, look. Like, ew. Yeah, so, yeah, we'll come feed the ducks because we haven't been here for ages. So we brought some peas this time. We normally have bread, but one of the last times we were here, we had this, like, weird old man. He kept coming up to everyone that was there. And I was like, what are you feeding the ducks? And he was like, oh God, there's two big ones. Hold on a minute.
How you have
Look,
children?
shake them on. Look.
Oh, wait, scary.
Oh, there's not enough water for the waterfall. Not today. Oh God, one just come up from the bottom. Yeah, no, so it's this old bloke come around, he's like literally approaching like me and everyone that was in here, like, are you feeding them bread? They're not allowed bread, it kills them. Yeah, well, so does everything, doesn't it? Oh dear. So yeah, he obviously wasn't a fan of the ducks being fed bread, but you know, it's something that everyone's done for years and years and years. Ducks are alright, aren't they? But anyway, we thought we'd give them some peas because we had some spare anyway, and we didn't have any bread, so instead of going to the shop, because obviously that's where we're going after, I thought we'd just take the peas because they're there. So we defrosted them this morning, and obviously, yeah, ducks liked it. So that's enough now because look, it's all muddy. Where you are? Zach, no, because you're going to fall, you're going to slip. Right, let's go. Don't you dare. You can't go near the edge. If you fall in that water, I can't grab you. I have to leave you there. Yeah, so we're just having a little walk round. Zach's just going to run some steam, which as he's been running. Oh God, slippery leaves. I don't want to slip because that'll put my SPD right out. I have to keep stopping. I meant to be continuously walking, guys. Zach, come on, we've got to keep walking. Yeah, just to try and get things going. I'm already literally halfway dilated, guys. I mean, I might even be halfway dilated now. When the midwife checked, I was already 4. And obviously doing a second sweep, that can make you 5 or more. So obviously when the contractions or the waters do break, I'm gonna head straight in because labour shouldn't be too long, obviously being the second as well. But yeah, it's crazy, guys. Sound like something creaking over there. Yeah, so yeah, I apologise for, obviously, for the vlogs being not up to much, the last few that I have done. I heard it again, it's like a creaky growl noise. Yeah, so it's just literally like, obviously due day was Saturday, and it's just sort of one of those things where we'd be sort of like pottering and busy and popping out and just sorting bits out that I hadn't got time to sort of film or do anything. So I thought it would be quite good, obviously, you know, one of them days I did a Christmas meme. So I literally just looked up all the ones that I thought were quite funny, and I thought I'd just do them in like a little video, just to keep obviously Vlogmas going, because I didn't want to miss a day really. Yeah, and it saves me sort of getting all like, oh, I haven't done one. So yeah, it's so quiet today. I think most of the kids down this end have broken up. There's quite a lot of kids out today. I think the schools down near us are breaking up. What day are we today? Monday. So I think from sort of like the middle of, maybe the middle of the week to the end of the week, they'll sort of be breaking up. I just can't believe how fast Christmas has come around, guys. It's so fast. Hoping my little baby boy will be here before Christmas, just because it'd be nice just for us as a little family to spend it together over Christmas. It'd be nice for him to be here then. But yeah, so if I do any walking, I do get shooting pains where you wouldn't want shooting pains. So I'm hoping that's going to sort of wobble him down a bit. Then yeah, then we're off to Tesco's, do a little bit of shopping. I'm going to grab some pineapple, because I've spoken to, and I've read actually, quite a few women about pineapple, and it's actually really helped with inducing, like for labour and stuff. So I thought I'd give it a go. You know, I'm already halfway there anyway, so you know, if that just pushes that little bit for the contractions to start, or for the waters to break, then let's do it. So I'm going to munch some pineapple when we get home. So yes, we just got to go and do a little bit of shopping for that. It doesn't take long to wear you out. I actually washed my hair yesterday, and when I came out you literally thought I'd done a marathon. I was so out of breath just from washing my hair. It was so funny. Anyway, oh god, that keeps picking up loads of big sticks. Seagulls! There's the one that's always alone. What's up, little dude? Hello. Oh, I say hello to the camera. Don't break it. Oh, you're so cute. Don't be horrible, you meanie.
Zach said he saw a ghost face over there somewhere. Do I believe you? No, that's a short way. I just want to go through the middle. Look, you got friends. Come on. They want more food. We haven't got any more food. Round 2, guys. We're walking around again. Doing okay at the moment, getting a few sharp pains, but you know, got the birth brought home, so I'm jumping on there. Bit of tightening, but gonna walk through it. Come on the fastest way. I sort of stopped at first. I went, ooh, like, ooh, let's stop. Come on. Zach's the leader. Zach's the leader. Leader. Take your path. Hey, Will, look, they're coming. Thank you. What good students they are. Yeah. You might have some more in a minute. What, more students? Yeah. Okay. Class, we might have more students. Yeah, it's slippery here, Zach. Oh, just behind you up there. Class, come on. Class. So, is everyone prepared for Christmas? Because I know some people like to leave it like till last minute. Managed to get everything done. Mostly everything done, I think. as I do the dogs. I'll be back.
So guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. You probably would have seen the clip of Buddy Elf and what he's been up to this morning, probably at the beginning. And yeah, when I get home I'll film what chocolate has that got in his advent, and I'll probably stick that in the front as well. So yeah guys, I'm going to leave it here. Zach's going to climb a tree now. But yeah, so remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Oh guys, before you go actually, I just want to say thank you to all our old subscribers and all our new subscribers. We've hit 300 now, which is really good. So yeah, hopefully over the next couple of months we'll hit 400 and just slowly build from there guys. But yeah, thank you to everyone who's liked our channel. And remember guys, if you haven't subscribed and you want to, just let us know in the comments and we'll subscribe back to you. Remember to leave a like, and we'll see you on the next vlog guys. But yeah, I'm going to only be filming up to Christmas Day and then having a break, because obviously we've posted like literally every day for Vlogmas. So anyway guys, see you later, and see you soon.